honey, let's go check out the local Ace Hardware. Sure. It's only 90 degrees out here. Hot.
I'm sorry. You could have stayed at the boat, though. You didn't have to. I know why you did.
What? I'm sorry, why did I come along?
So I didn't buy everything in the store?
Yeah, because you don't spend all of our money.
My toy store.
What's your safe word, Kevin?
Purple hippo.
It's been 2 weeks since we removed our mast. And if you're just joining us, we are not a fix-it channel. We are a family sailing channel. But we live on a boat and boat things happen. Join us while Kevin and the guys get the final touches on the mast base while dodging storms and the heat. The girls get some wakeboarding in, Brad joins the work crew, and Lily finds some treasure. And as always, our world-famous outtakes at the end of the video. And guys, huge shout out to all of our subscribers. It really means a lot to us. We are so thankful that we get to share all of our family sailing adventures with all of you. And keep the comments coming. We love to hear what you have to say.
Acquired Brad, one of our buddy boats. Kevin is walking in asking me, do you know what I did? And he's hiding his already injured hand. So, hold on.
With the grinder.
Let me see that.
It's the same spot as last time.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me get a... And you expect me to fix it again?
Not yet. We'll wait till we'll fix it.
Because it's not bleeding?
It's not bleeding. And I'm going to go swimming today, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that.
Hold on a second. And you're supposed to be going diving for lobster today, Kevin.
Yeah, I'll attract the sharks.
We don't want sharks, we want lobster. I said lobster.
Sharks are good eating too.
Nice. See what I have to deal with? Look at that.
Almost got my finger off again.
Are you having a hard time opening that up because you don't have any working hands?
Maybe. I'm essentially making a table saw with a skill saw. I have a fence to run the board across. You could stand up here.
Okay.
On both plywoods.
My way? Plywood? Okay. Current mess. Just got a glimpse of that.
Anything new?
Give us an update. Where are we going?
Going to the mast to take some wires out and put a new line at the top. And to hopefully schedule the reinstallation.
All right.
We're taking this antenna off, right?
This is your radio antenna.
That stays.
This one?
This is really important.
This will come up in there.
And then when you feed that
What is
line
that?
through, we need to
No, but this guy on top.
run a wire, don't we?
We're gonna try.
Mom, first time I've ever
Now I
touched
need
the
my
top
no.
of the mast.
Don't open that yet.
You
I'm
touched the
gonna,
top of the mast.
I think we'll just 5,200 it. Okay. Hold on.
I can do that.
All right, now let's Sharpie.
Hey, Sharpie? Got it.
This could come up. Can you get this black wire? Kevin, you want this black wire pulled, right?
I can see it. I can grab it.
Well, don't pull that out yet.
Don't pull it out, okay?
The thin black wire, the little one.
Yeah.
And that string, because the string goes actually inside the tube.
Yeah.
I'd rather use that if I can pull that cable down inside the tube.
I can't quite read that.
Which one?
Can you get the black wire out this way?
Which one? This
one.
wire? That. Yeah, I can grab it.
See it, Littles?
I think there, freed that up, so that might be easier for you to see now. Yeah, that's the right one. Yeah. So pull it from the top down.
Don't pull from the top. Pull it out.
Oh, okay.
Pull it out from there. From him, yeah. Or don't pull it all the way out, but that's good. Okay. Now, does this... Let me go to the top before you pull that.
Okay. Now, what about this one, hey?
That one's wrapped around a bunch of wires.
I can tell. And the hard part is trying to figure out how to get it unwrapped around that, hey?
Okay, I'm gonna try to pull it.
Okay.
Yeah. It's going.
Okay.
Hey, don't pull that then.
Okay.
You can pull this one out. It's the white wire. Round it with the other side.
Which white one? That one's in a different wrap, I
I
think.
know. Oh, just pull it out though. Yeah, let me cut this end off so it's... Okay, you can pull that out.
Okay.
Give me my big screwdriver. The big flathead.
That's gonna take a little bit.
Wow. What's that one too?
Does this wire still work?
Why?
We could give it to spirit animal.
They don't need used wire, honey.
There we go.
Better than buying it.
No. Just one?
Here's this one.
There's this one? Okay. Let's see. Okay, it is... Oh, it's all beat up.
Here,
Oh,
take
look
it,
at that.
take it.
Okay, hold on. Just one?
I don't know. I haven't checked the other side yet.
Is that a $1? Wow.
There's
Let's-
another one.
The excitement of an 11-year-old to find the hidden coins in the mast. The previous owner said that there were about 3 coins that they put in there. I think I remember 3 coins. One to commemorate the year of the moon landing, which I think was in 1969, I think. And then a Susan B. Anthony, that's right, that's the one right here, Susan B. Anthony. And then I cannot remember what the other one, the year of the other one was significant. Maybe it was a silver dollar, maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, now she's gonna get a pick and she's going to see if she can get it out of the mast. It's kind of stuck. I don't know if they're glued or whatnot, but we'll see. No, I saw the edge of it. I know it's in there.
It's huge.
The big one? Maybe it's a silver dollar.
Huge.
Okay, keep working at it. All right, so focus on the coin. I missed what Kevin's doing. What are you doing, Kevin?
I'm trying to get little parts off.
We're trying to get what? What is that? Let me
I
see.
don't know.
Let me see. Okay, maybe that'll work. So exciting. What is that? Oh, you got the right idea.
Only Dad will bring a pick.
Yeah, that's what you really need is the pick.
I'm gonna go back and get it. I learned how to drive a dinghy before I could learn to drive a car.
We're getting there. What'd you guys get done so far?
3 attempts.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna yank on this one. All right? I'll be the one to break it if we break.
Well, Peter, and you're only doing the one then, hey?
I'm just doing the one.
Okay.
It would be nice to have something up your butt.
I walked away too soon. You got it? Was it the one you were trying to get or was it the other one? Let me see.
Big one.
Whoa. Wow.
Gonna have to clean it when I get home.
Okay. That is $1 coin. We went back to the boat and got a pick. Let me see your pick, Lily. Show me your pick. You got the pick.
There. Right there. Oh, I got it. There.
I think that's it. I think it was just 3 coins. Oh, it's another quarter or $1. Is it another Susan B. Anthony?
I don't know. I'll make it up.
Lily, where are we headed?
We're heading back to the boat to clean my coins that I got out of the bottom of the mast.
Let me see. Yep. Okay. It's hot. It's sunny and it's hot, even though we were sitting in the shade. Nothing more exciting going on at the mast at the moment. Right? Okay. So, we're going to go back to the boat. Kevin is out there sanding. He's out there sanding the gel coat. They put another coat of gel coat on yesterday, and Kevin is up early this morning sanding it. He says the mast is being scheduled to go back on Thursday, so he's kind of working against the clock right now. I think he says he has to put another coat of gel coat on it. Have you ever been into a house and inside that house someone says, look what I did, I added on to the house and we added bedrooms and we remodeled the kitchen or we remodeled this bathroom and walls have been moved or drywall taken down and repaired or added on to, and you walk in and you're like, oh yeah, right there, I see that drywall repair. I see, yes, I could clearly see where you added on to the house. Well, that's the effect we're trying to avoid here. The drywall effect, I call it. It takes away from the amount of money spent and the amount of quality time and detail spent on making sure that it's done right. They put in a lot of hard work. They've put in days of meticulous detail of getting all of the damaged wood out. So no questions are asked. And I have video of all of that, putting it all back. The fiberglass and the balsa wood and the epoxy and the resin. And I don't think I'm forgetting anything. And the sanding and then the application and then the sanding and the over application, the sanding and the overlay of the fiberglass and all the things. Walks onto our boat and we try to explain to them where the damage was. I don't want the first words out of their mouth to be like, oh, right there. That's where it was. I can clearly see where the damage was. No mass. As you can see, we have no mass on our boat.
The rod is not standing up. All puns intended.
Anyhow.
Take that how you will.
Okay, so...
But it stands up tomorrow. Sorry, go. My bad.
Okay.
My bad.
Now I can't think of what I was supposed to say. I don't really know what's going on, but I'm filming it. It's Kevin mixing the gel coat. I actually didn't know he was mixing the gel coat until he said, oops, I got it on your cushions. Anyhow. The girls are laughing. So this is what he means by getting it on the cushions. He got on the cushion, and then he tried to wipe it off. Then he proceeded to try to get the paint thinner, and I said, just let it go. It's okay. Minor detail in the grand scheme of things. We'll figure it out later.
I'm number one.
Over the years, ladies, if you want to know what happens to your silverware,
I said I wouldn't ruin it, but I don't know if it's going back in the drawer.
did you hear that? He said he wouldn't ruin it, but he's not too sure if it's going to go back in the drawer. What, Kevin? He really wanted to say it again.
It does stand up tomorrow. Nice and proud and strong.
I don't know how much of that I could put in there.
You put all of it. It leans a little bit to the back.
We don't want to talk about.
Anyways, gotta go.
okay.
See ya.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna leave me with that. So.
I gotta pull.